It's all going on in the car park today. There's a lady over there has forgotten her cash. So this is one of those very rare machines that still allows cash, and she's been trying to sort herself out for about 10 minutes now. I won't be like that. I'll be straight in with me cash because I'm a bit of a dinosaur. Get me ticket. Just for a bit of fun, I got this out. This is my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I've had a hate-hate relationship with this ever since I bought it a few years ago, and I've hardly ever used it. It's like when you've got a really bad relationship and you go, I didn't really like you anyway. That's pretty much the way I've been with this. But what I thought I'd do, just for fun, is just take a little bit of B-roll and stitch it all together and see if it's any good. So here we go, GoPro Hero 7. Okay, forget the B-roll that I was doing and forget the cooking for a minute, because I've got a problem with my backpack. I was really enjoying this, the Decathlon backpack. However, I'm not sure if you can hear this, it's developed a squeak. So I was going along, minding my own business as you do, and I don't know if you can hear that. It's like, what's all that about? I've never had a backpack in my life that's made any kind of noise. I've tried doing different things. I've tried adjusting the back, doing up the chest strap, but I've still got a bit of squeak going on. I was hoping to work my way up to maybe a bit of stealth camping at some point, but with this they'll let me coming 3 miles away. I think I've worked it out. It's to do with levels of twist. Must be something to do with the way the frame's put together. So if I walk and I'm all still like that, it's okay. But if I move, you're alright, you're over there. I'm right here. Sounds 4 times noisier, I can tell you. I've had to turn back because this is driving me nuts. I was going to do another mile or so. It's not going to work. It's like Chinese water torture. One could argue that it's to do with the contents of my backpack and not the actual backpack itself. So I'm just going to stop up here, get everything out, and then see where we are with that then. Whoops, and he slipped then. I was looking forward to going out and do some cooking today, but I'm just going to have to abandon this because I'm not going to get to where I want to go to cook up without going completely insane with this. Lovely bag, sits on me beautifully, really comfortable. But I can't cope with that. InfoZhed out. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, why doesn't he just stop where he was and do his little cook up anyway? Well, the answer to that is there's too many people about. I wanted to get somewhere that's a lot quieter. And I'm also, the faster I'm walking with this, the more it squeaks and the angrier I get. So the angrier I get, the faster I walk with this, so the more it squeaks. It's ridiculous. So it's kind of ruined my frame of mind, as it were. So yeah, definitely. I'll see you next time. InfoZhed out.